Hello, my name is Robert McNeil and I live in the north of England. Many years ago I was given a copy of the 10 Principle Upanishad translated by Sri Purohit Swami and W.B. Yeats. I was fascinated by this book. I loved the stories, but I found it very strange because I knew there was something very important being said, but I didn't understand what it was. So I formed a resolution that I would learn Sanskrit so that I could study the Upanishads in the original language of Sanskrit. Well, that was many years ago, and since that time I have spent a lot of enjoyable time, studying the Sanskrit language, studying its structure, getting to know its source, getting to know its meaning, and sitting exams through the St. James schools in London, and have come to appreciate just how great this language is. The Upanishads contains a message, I believe, for the whole of mankind. It's the universal perennial philosophy that we all need, and it is desperately needed in the world at large today. Of course, it's not necessary for everyone to be able to translate from the original language, but nevertheless, it's very important that there are those of us who are willing to do so that we can learn the language, so that we can learn the principles that are contained within the Upanishads and the Bhagavad Gita, and then to be able to share them simply with others. So I wish you all the very best in your studies and work. This is a very important work, not just for ourselves, but for the whole of humanity. This is a teaching for humanity, and it's good that some people at least are spending time studying the original Sanskrit and then will be more able to pass on the message contained in them to the rest of the world. So all our very best wishes, and may Mother Shruti help you and guide you in your studies. May you find as much enjoyment as I have in the study of the Upanishads through the original Sanskrit. All best wishes. Thank you.